If you want to replace your 9-to-5 job and spend more time with your family and friends, listen up. The main problem people have with leaving their 9-to-5 is figuring out how to maintain their income while reducing their work hours. Most people are stuck in the mindset that you need to work long hours to make a decent living. I've successfully transitioned from a 9-to-5 job to working just 2 hours a day, earning 100% commissions, and now I get to spend most of my time with my loved ones. The number one mistake people make is believing that it's impossible to earn a substantial income without putting in a full workday. They end up burning out and feeling trapped in their current job. There is a better way to achieve financial freedom and more personal time. My blueprint for earning 100% commissions and working only 2 hours a day is designed to maximize your earnings while minimizing your work hours. Here are the steps to get started with my method. Learn the system. Familiarize yourself with my blueprint, which includes strategies for earning high commissions on products that sell themselves. Implement the techniques. Follow my step-by-step guide to set up your income streams. This involves leveraging automation and efficient marketing tactics. Optimize your schedule. Dedicate to focused hours each day to work on your business. Use this time wisely to implement the strategies and track your progress. Monitor and adjust. Continuously monitor your results and tweak your approach to ensure you're maximizing your income potential. Enjoy your freedom. As your income grows, you'll be able to scale back your work hours even more, allowing you to spend more quality time with your family and friends. By following these steps, you can break free from the 9-to-5 grind and enjoy a lifestyle with more freedom and flexibility.